Hey, Robert Kiefer and Scott Campbell here. Hi. So anyways, we're on another new construction site and we got some issues going on with some drainage in the crawl space. I'm going to point those out to you real quick, so stay right tuned. So here we go. You have a sub pump discharge line coming right out next to the foundation. Guess where that water's going? Right back inside. You can see it's filling up this access well, and the drain that they have for the access is too high. I'm not sure if you guys can see this on camera, but it's way too high. It needs to be actually recessed into the ground so the water can make it there. It should flow to the lowest point. Other thing is you have too much stone aggregate that allows it, as soon as the water fills up with the volume, just like in a cup of ice, right, it takes up space and it's going to go right into this crawl space that looks like it's been encapsulated already. So let's jump down here and go in front of you, Scott. Okay, so here we got the sub pump. Check this out. We got two areas, one that is coming from the outside drain tile and one from the interior drain tile. There should be one coming from the other section over there if this is all installed properly all the way around. So this is a newly installed crawl space encapsulation, and you can see this is a really thin. This is a 6 mil string reinforced vapor barrier, and they got butyl tape right there that usually ends up coming off. So that's about the thinnest liner that you could possibly use in this scenario. Now, unfortunately, from looking at a couple of the other ones, we know that the drain tile has no stone aggregate around it, and it's probably going to eventually clog. So we're in here to give estimates on what this should look like if it was done properly, and to make sure that there's a warranty on all the work. So that's what we're going to do. Anyways, if you have a crawl space that needs encapsulation, or you're about to buy a home and really want to make sure it was done properly, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at watermoldpros.com. Thanks.